Hi there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we'll step you through how to make an annotation within an ebook. To create an annotation, within the e-reader, highlight a word or term and select the Create Annotation icon from the Learning toolbar that pops up. From here, you can select a highlighter colour and add a note or comment about what you've highlighted. All new annotations are set to private by default, where the annotation is only visible to you. But click the eye icon and you can make your annotation visible to the entire cloud or specific classmates within that cloud. If you want to send the annotation to an individual classmate, don't forget to deselect the cloud to avoid sharing with the entire class. Click Add to create your annotation. You can also use the annotation as a simple highlighter, safe for studying, using various colours to identify key study points by selecting the Annotate button and leaving the comment box blank. Access your annotations via the Learning Annotation thread in the header to engage in a learning discussion. View or make a comment, edit your personal annotations, or delete them entirely. If your annotation is private, keep a record of your thoughts. If your annotation is public, watch as your classmates or teachers answer your questions or respond to your comments. Communicate one-to-one, one-to-many, or one-to-all. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.